Hey guys, we're out here working on a 2014 Ford Edge. We had the flex joint right there. It is coming apart. We got ourselves a flex repair kit from the parts store. We're going to take our pipe cutter and cut the pipe and see if we can't splice a new one in there. I'll try and get you some video of the new Maddox pipe cutter that I picked up, the chain style. We'll see how well that works, and then we'll get this thing figured out here. So there's the pipe replaced. It just basically rusted off at this end. This end wasn't too bad, but that's what it is. So this is the end I cut off. You can see it's pretty smooth cut there. Just here where the little ridges where I didn't go all the way through and kind of just worked it back and forth to break it off. But okay guys, so we got the adapter on there. Basically it's ended up having to put one coupling on the one side. The pipe is actually like a oval shape on the one end, so I'm worried about it sealing up good. But anyway, these little flex joints work pretty slick if you got this right size pipe. And that chain cutter worked really good. It was hard to show on the video, but basically it takes a little while, but it cuts a nice clean cut. I can show you the one little piece I got here, what it looked like, but I thought it turned out really well. So hopefully this will quiet this thing down and save us having to buy an expensive pipe to replace it. Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of BTW Garage. Hope that exhaust repair helped somebody out. Like I said, it wasn't too expensive. Nice to, I think altogether got $40 in this repair versus $160 for the whole pipe. Anyway guys, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and that notification bell, guys. That'll let you know of any videos coming up that we got coming out. As I talked earlier, we got a lot of stuff coming here. We've been trying to get some stuff staged so we can get more videos out on a regular basis. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.